be ready for a new danger. And this is very, very important. You will know when it comes, with warning and without any warning. The atomic bomb.
Hey guys, welcome. This is my 2014 Mustang GT 5-liter, black on black, 6-speed. I'm doing a brand new YouTube channel, so hit that like, subscribe, comment, and hit that bell notification so you guys know when I upload new videos. So my name is Short Fuse, and this is my 2014 Mustang GT. So basically we're going to walk around the car and I'm going to point out all the mods that I've done on the car recently, and I'll do future videos on new mod installs and car shows and whatnot. So come along for the journey as we take a look on what's going on my 5.0. Starting with exterior modifications, first and foremost, I got AMR gloss black 20-inch wheels. These are 8x5s and running Nito Invo 255/30/20s in the front. The brake rotors are power stop, drilled slotted, and I believe the brake pads are Hawk performance pads. I found that the power stop pads were too squealy, so I put these pads in and no more squeals. So different strokes for different folks. If you like the brake squeal, Power Stop has the rotor and brake combo kits for sale. All right, another modification here is my 5.0 badge. I got this off of Amazon. They are metal, but they're matte black, and they have the Coyote V8 underneath with the red dot. And on the back, again, American Muscle gloss black rims. These are 20x10s, and these are running 285/30/20s, Nito Invos. All right, the spoiler is MP Concepts GT500 spoiler off of American Muscle. It comes in a flat black, and I think I'm going to keep it this way. All right, exhaust here. I got, these are old. These are Flowmaster Outlaws. We'll get to the exhaust later. I just recently had the custom stripes done at a local vinyl shop. They did a really good job. So this is matte black, 10-inch stripes with 1/4-inch pinstripes on each side. And I think that is done. Oh, no, almost forgot the most important piece. And this is the MMR V2 chin spoiler from American Muscle. Gives the front end a little bit more aggressive look over stock. And then the pony, they come chrome looking, so I plasti dipped that to a matte black so it goes with the car. As you can see, the stripes are pretty popping. Daytime, nighttime, can barely see them, so AKA ghost stripes. Really cool. All right, we'll do the engine. Okay, modifications on the engine compartment. First and foremost, red line tuning. I'll post a video of that later. I got a Moroso catch can just on the passenger side. K&N Nighthawk cold air induction kit. And that's about it. So the hood struts remove the prop rod, which is ugly. And I'm gonna have to touch up my radiator cover because of the scratches and whatnot there. All right, moving to the interior. Not much in here. All right, steering wheel is Accelitech. Yes, Accelitech from CJ Pony Parts. It's the leather with Alcantara with the red stripe on the top, flat bottom, really nice wheel. My shifter is a Barton short throw and a custom 5.0 knob. And then I got my Tesla style Android screen, which I really love. I get a lot of comments on that, compliments. And that's it for that. And exhaust. All right, guys, so the exhaust is pretty simple. It's stock headers, stock cats, and then they go to a Flowmaster Scavenger X pipe, res delete, going out to the Flowmaster Outlaws. So I'm going to be doing a startup for you right now, so hang tight. All right, so there was a little exhaust sound clip for you guys. It sounds really good. I'm currently running a Bama 93 performance tune. Gives it a little bit more pop to the exhaust. I also switch between the 93 race tune as well, and that gives me a lot of high-end torque, whereas the performance tune gives me a low-end torque. So overall, that is my 5-liter Mustang. Stick to the channel, guys. You'll get more updates of more mods that I do. Also, I'll be attending some car shows, and I'll be posting videos of the next car show that I attend, which is coming up near the end of May. So once again, this is Short Fuse. Thanks for visiting the channel, guys. Remember to subscribe, hit that like button, comment below if you have any questions or comments, and make sure you turn on that bell notification so you guys get notified when I post more videos. All right, so once again, Short Fuse. Have a good one, guys. Peace.